What is up, everybody? It's V. Hey, today you guys are going to be unboxing the JBL GO2 Bluetooth speaker. Got a couple of these already. I'm going to do a comparison on this one and another Bluetooth I have. Portable Bluetooth speaker. What are the specs? 5 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof. And then it has a speakerphone. So let's bust it open. Let's see what we got. So we got the speaker there. Nothing else in there. Set this to the side for a second. All your usual stuff in it. Let's see here. Man, they went all out of the wrapping, didn't they? Got books here. Let's see. No, I got the Bose one. I think I'm going to do a comparison on that one later on. I got some more. I got a cans. I got all kinds of them here. Looks like specs sheet here. It's in Japanese, so. We got the instruction manual, all that, but you didn't come to see that. No, same thing here. Books. And we got the charge cable. It's like micro USB. There. And we had a speaker. A play button. Volume up and down rockers, Bluetooth sync, power off and on. We have over here headphone jack, or whatever you want to plug into there with the 3.5. Then we have the micro USB here. The JBL logo. You know, they have a lot of different colors. You know, they have black, gold, yellow, red, green, blue. They have all the colors of the rainbow on this one. But this is the JBL, again, Bluetooth. I'm going to get it hooked up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So, you know, I had to power it back on here. I got it synced up. Alright, I just held the Bluetooth down and then synced it up to my Note 9. Here goes some test music here. It's royalty free, so let's check it out. Max volume. Sounds alright. Sounds nice. Alright. Power off. Alright, so there you go. Again, I'm going to do a comparison video against this one and the Bose, because that one just sounds pretty good. It's not bad. So this will cost you about 40 bucks. I'm going to drop it in a link in the description down below. If you like the video, have any questions, any comments, please drop them down below. JBL GO2 Bluetooth speaker. This is V. I am out.